Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my Move That Switch project, and then the objective is to move an object here which then touches a switch which then can move this switch. And so far I've managed to run the whole thing. Let's make a short test run. So you can see that that works. This still has to be optimized with another worm here. And unfortunately, I found out when setting this up for this video is that right here, the connection with the interface is a case of now you see me, now you don't. So I hope it will be now you see me during the recording of this, because otherwise I have a problem once again. Anyway, let's see how this ends up. And screencast, as you can see. And I hope the lighting is quite alright. I already had one more case of now you see me, now you don't. So let's test this. Okay, it's working. Now I have another thing, and I have to move the board a little bit, because I'm going to add this piece right here. Not that hard to do, but it has to be done. And piece gone. And fixed. So now the point is obviously that with one of these switches it has to be touched. So my idea was to do something like this, have it guided and touch the thing, which is only doable when you have it connected to an input. So for the time being, I'm disconnecting this one. Saves time, although it doesn't save time, because the problem is that those wires aren't long enough. So I have to prepare these wires. And then with some adhesive tape mount these, because there are no screws to connect wires. So I have some preparation to do. And that is it. So while the idea still stands, move the switch. It won't be this switch, but two switches mounted, and that works kind of. It's not moving the switch but touching the switch so far, but that switch is only manually operatable, so it won't work automatically. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and please do leave a comment or suggestion in the comments under the video. And you can support this channel by either just an incidental donation via PayPal or buy me a coffee via Ko-fi, or buy the video via Ko-fi or Patreon, or become a paying member via Patreon and Ko-fi. Either way, thank you for your support, and thank the members via Patreon and Kofi for your support. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.